This video is going to help us review the process to do a double-digit multiplication problem and a long division problem. So if we have the problem 432 times 57, we want to line it up on the right. So we're going to take 432 and line up 57 underneath that. We're going to start by multiplying everything by this 7 that's in the ones place. So if you don't know your sevens, a good strategy to help yourself is to list them out to the side. So I would start with 7, and you can add on 7 more. So you can use whatever strategy to do 7 and add 7 more is 14, add 7 more, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. So I need to do 7 times 2, so I can count on 1, 2 places is 14. The 1 goes up and the 4 goes down. Now I do 7 times 3 is 21. 1, 2, 3, 21. Plus this 1 that we carried is 22. 2 goes up, 2 goes down. So now I do 7 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 28. Plus 2 more is 30. So now I am done with these numbers on top. So I want to cross those out so I don't mix myself up. One of the most important and forgotten things that we need to do this double-digit multiplication problem is we need to add this placeholder 0. We're going to start multiplying by this 5, but it's not just 5. This 5 here is actually representing 50 because it's in the tens place. So in order to put my first answer in the tens place here, we need a placeholder 0. Be sure not to forget that. So I can make a list of my 5s, 10s, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I'm going to start and do 5 times 2. 1, 2 is 10. My 1 goes up, 0 goes down. 5 times 3. 1, 2, 3 is 15. Plus 1. 1 goes up, 6 goes down. And the last part to multiply is 4 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 20. Plus 1 more is 21. So now we need to add both parts of that answer together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 0 is 2. 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So our answer is 24,624. So now for a multiplication problem. So let's start with, let's do 6 as our divisor. And let's divide it into 4,600 and let's do 12 there. So we are going to make a list of 6 to start with. You can add on 6 more, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. So our steps for this, we always want to divide, and then we're going to multiply, then we're going to subtract, then we want to check our work. It needs to be smaller than the number we're dividing by. Then we're going to bring down the next number and repeat till we get to the end. So one thing I notice is that this dividend here, my problem I'm starting with, has 4 digits in it. So that means when I'm done, I should have something above each of these digits here. There should only be one thing per digit. So I'm going to start, and 6 cannot go into 4. So the answer here is I'm going to put an X to hold that place and say nothing can go there. So now I'm looking for 46. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 is too big. So I'm looking for 42. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And the 7 goes on top. So I divided. Now I multiply. 6 times 7 is right there, 42. So I'm subtracting now. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And I want to check that this 4 here is less than 6, and it is. So now I bring down the next number. We're at 41. So I'm looking here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 42 is too big, so it goes in there 6 times. So 6 goes up. I always like to remember when something goes down, something has to go up. So 6 times 6 was 36. I subtract here, I need to borrow. So 11 minus 6 is 5, 3 minus 3 is 0. Then I need to check that 5 is less than 6, and it is. And then I'm going to bring down my 2 here for 52. And so I'm coming over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times is too big. So that means 8 times. When something goes down, something has to go up. So 6 goes into 52, 8 times. 8 times 6 is 48. So I place that here and I subtract. I need to borrow here for a 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. And 4 minus 4 is nothing. So I have a remainder 4 because there's nothing else here to bring down. So this answer is 768, remainder 4. If you guys have any questions while you are doing this, make sure to bring your paper to school and I can help you solve anything.